Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo V15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can connect Bluetooth headset to your phone Vivo V15. Here is my Bluetooth headphone. This is made of OnePlus. It is turned on. Okay, what you have to do is just you have to turn on your Bluetooth device with this button. This is the button to turn on. Okay, this is to increase the volume. Plus symbol is to increase the volume, minus symbol to decrease the volume. Okay, I already turned on. If you don't if you don't have your Bluetooth turned on, just you go to long press this middle button, it will turn on. Okay, now come to your phone and go to notification area. You have to swipe up from the bottom. Okay, here is Bluetooth option. Just turn on and long press this Bluetooth option and it will list the list of devices nearby you. It's scanning, just wait. Already paired devices are shown here. Galaxy On Max is showing here. Still scanning. Yes, this is the device. Just click it. A pairing request has been sent to. No. Yes, this is OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Just click on it and yes, it is connected. Okay, so in this way you can easily connect your phone with Bluetooth device. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. Before that I play one video. Okay, I don't have internet connection here. Okay, it's connected. Just so you can see here again. Yes, it is connected and now volume is controlled here. Okay, you can hear this song using this Bluetooth device. Okay, bye.